Okay guys, I'm gonna try to do this video. What have I been doing? Well, I've been completing my garden beds as far as structure and building. I have been rearranging a couple of things until we get the fence completed. As you can see in the back, I did my water tower. Got to put 4 more boards to do, make sure it's structured and it's pretty solid. Right now it's good, but I feel good with a couple more boards. So it's just ready for my water hose. I'm gonna zoom in. You see that nozzle where the gas can's at? That's my water hose adapter. I have the gutters put up there where the rainwater can go down in the thing. That's the rest of my fence. I still have to put fence on this side where I'm standing. This is everything that I'm completing up for the summer, which are tomatoes, collards, okra, squash, bell peppers, and zucchini. And I'm about to, well, my sunflowers, that's about to go, so I got to demolish that. But I figured, let me go ahead and finish these boxes. And I only do the constructions when it get a little late because it's too hot, and then the walls are out. Oh shoot, I still got another fence I got to demolish back there. Okay, but I got 3. As you can see, this one here is my 4x4. This is for things that got to be planted a little deeper. Of course, they're made with 2x6s, double 2x6s. And as you can see, I got planks in here. I got to get 4 more boards I'm gonna put in there to close them gaps up, and then I'll lay the fabric barrier on it. With these right here, I have the mesh. They're set up a little different, and I made these here out of fencing wood, which is this right here that I'm going to use tomorrow to make a special project. And then I think I might have 1 more of these here I might be building. I just got to get the wood, and that'll be all that I'm building. I have 2 more to build. The special one I'm gonna do tomorrow, then 1 more like this, and then I'll be done. The fencing is almost done. That's what I've been really doing, is kind of like trying to complete that. You see I got my little solar lights on there. I got 2 more I got to put up. The fencing, I'm gonna turn around, and by chance guys, they are working on the stuff now. Whenever, I don't know how long it's gonna take them to finish everything, so I should be completely dried in the next couple of months, I'm gonna say, because they slow. But anyway, right here is where my fence stop right now. Then I got a fence in the house. It's gonna go this way. Then I'm gonna have the rest of the gate to complete right here. All this will be moved. These here scraps will be used. I will be making some homemade trellises out of them. Nothing will go to waste. But right now, the most important thing is finishing the boxes, and then I will completely empty my greenhouse out, because it'll be time for me to start using it. Right now I have my supplies in it. So that's what I've been doing for the last few weeks. My herbs is still up in there, and I got herbs behind this one here. This green stuff will go on top of the water tower. That'll be kind of like last. I gotta get 1 more thing to put up there with that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and soon I'll be filling these boxes up. Thank you.